Welcome to my new devlog. To keep each run different and unpredictable, the game needs a procedurally generated map. To generate this world, I use one core script called the game initializer. When you start a new game or load a save, this script runs first. It triggers the terrain generation functions. The terrain generation splits the entire map into individual chunks. Each chunk consists of two parts, the main chunk and an environment chunk. The main chunk handles the terrain mesh. It also manages a grid texture that displays block tiles when you enter building mode. The environment chunk handles the placement of objects like trees, bushes and mushrooms. To keep performance high, these objects are managed via multi-meshes, like our units. Each chunk also has its own visible on-screen enabler node. If a chunk is behind the camera or off screen, the camera stops rendering its asset entirely. Once all chunks finish generating, the grid system finds a free coordinate near the center of the map. It then places your main goblin hall there. Finally, the map populates the rest of the world with environment enemies. The code enforces a safe radius around the main hall. This ensures no hostile units spawn near your base when the game starts. In the next devlog, I will show you how the game handles everything that spawns onto this map. I'll be breaking down my ID manager, my custom entity class, and how I use JSON files to access all unit and building stats. If you want to follow along and like what you are seeing, consider subscribing. Let me know your thoughts on the terrain generation in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.